Hello guys, so today I want to share with you my go-to beauty hacks, which I think are very affordable and quite practical. Maybe there are even things that are around the house, so stay tuned. So for my first hack, I usually buy myself wet wipes for in the car, in my handbag, or to use around the house, and I think that they're not wet enough sometimes. So what I do is I get my Savlon. You can use any other antiseptic liquid that you'd like to use. You can use Dettol and an empty plastic bottle and some water. I go ahead and fill up the bottle with the water. I don't have specific measurements for this hack. You can fill up the bottle if you'd like to fill it up, depending on how much of Savlon water you'd like to mix up. I'm mixing up my Savlon, as you can see, and once I've mixed up the Savlon, I'm going to give my bottle a good shake. And then I go ahead and put in my Savlon mixture inside my pack of wipes. I want all of my wipes to be wet, so I'm going to be very generous with my Savlon mixture. And then you want to give your pack of wipes a very good shake so that the mixture can get to all the wipes. I'm sure right now your wipes are ready to use. Remember, I use these wipes everywhere for everything, so you can be generous with your Savlon depending on how much of a germaphobe you are. I'm quite the germaphobe, so I do put in quite a bit of Savlon because I use these wipes to also wipe my hands after doing my makeup. I also use these wipes to wipe around my makeup station. They're also quite useful in removing makeup from my makeup brushes. It makes life so much easier at times when I haven't washed my brushes. I don't wash my brushes all the time. I mean, ain't nobody got time for that. So these Savlon wipes can be very useful in that case. In this instance, the more Savlon you put in, the easier the makeup gets off the brush. So hack number 2, this is what I do when I run out of makeup setting spray. Sometimes I get myself a combination of witch hazel and rose water. Again, I clean up an old plastic bottle, and to add in some moisture, I prefer to use tea tree oil and some vitamin E oil instead of glycerine. Sometimes I don't add in essential oils. What I do is I just simply dilute my makeup setting spray with witch hazel and rose water, because at times these makeup setting sprays do tend to get very oily, and I already have combination to oily skin, so it does really help. And once mixed, give it a good shake, and there you have your makeup setting spray. Alright, now hack number 3. So this is how I store my beauty blenders. I put my beauty blenders in this body butter container and spray the mixture that I made in my previous hack, because tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic You can also use your Savlon mixture from the first hack. So in the fourth hack, I have some dry wing line gel. Sometimes when you use your wing line gel, you forget to close it, or it just does get dry. So what I do is I soften it up using some essential oils. So I'm just going to drop in a drop or two, and then I'm going to mix it up to make the gel softer. See, so you don't have to throw away your gel liner just because it's dry. And the final hack, which is hack number 5, you can revive your dry mascara using gentle eye drops or saline solution. So just put in 2 to 3 drops inside your mascara. Mix it all up, and there you have it. And that is it for my hacks for today. I hope you found them very affordable and practical. If you have any hacks that you'd like to share with us, please comment in the section bar below. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.